empower every person to have a better life, to become so successful, so that one day you will become a hero, not only within your immediate family, but a hero in your entire country. Join with us now. This is Railway. This is reality. Thank you very much for my team in Tacloban, Ormoc, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Novaliches, Quezon City, Quezon Province. All of you, this is Railway. Thank you.
Team of Pegasus and gentlemen, on this shares and
First time ko pong kinabahan. Today, sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, first time ko pong maiyak. Di dahil po sa nininervyos ako, pero dahil po, nandito po ako sa lugar na nakakakita po ako ng mga unsung heroes. In Tagalog, pinapalibutan po tayo lahat ngayon ng mga bayani. Palakpakan po natin. We are all heroes or bayani is because we have sacrificed so much so that we could become a vessel of hope and blessing to other Filipinos that we have in the entire world. Palakpakan po natin. So ngayon po, I would like to thank my whole team, Jedaline Monte Group. Pwede mo ba palakpakan natin sila? Kasi kayo po ang rason kung bakit po ka nakatayo dito. It's because marami po kayong buhay na nabago. And to all the guests here, please do not think twice. Railway is real. And for 8 years, I will continue to love and cherish this company. Thank you, Railway International. Thank you, everyone. To God be all the glory. Mabuhay Railway Philippines!
And as now, Mr. John Leo of Technomans